This kid's book about planets made a couple $100,000 of passive income. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a business like this one with ChatGPT and Midjourney, starting from finding a book idea, creating the cover, writing the content, creating stunning images for your book to getting your book on Amazon KDP. A top-selling book obviously needs a good idea. You can either come up with your own one or ask ChatGPT to give you some ideas for a book. I'll take the second route. In a second step, I'll ask ChatGPT to create the basic structure and script for the book. These are the chapters ChatGPT gave me. Chapter 1, The Great Pyramid of Giza. Chapter 2, The Hanging Gardens of Babylon. Chapter 3, The Statue of Zeus at Olympia. Chapter 4, The Temple of Artemis at Ephesus. Chapter 5, The Mausoleum at Halicarnassus. Chapter 6, The Colossus of Rhodes. Chapter 7, The Lighthouse of Alexandria. Now that we have the chapters for our book, it's time to create the text for the chapters. Just go ahead and ask ChatGPT to write the text for your first chapter. You can ask ChatGPT to refine the text until you're satisfied with it. Repeat this process for all other chapters. Once you're done, I recommend pasting all your chapters into a Word document, for example. Now that we have the text for our book, we're halfway there. But an important step is yet to come, and trust me, it's mind-blowing. A book with text is good. A book with images is even better. Therefore, we'll try to get some stunning visuals for our book. There are a lot of options to create visuals. We'll use AI to create them. You could use free ones like Leonardo AI or CArt.ai. Alternatively, you could use ChatGPT version 4 to create the images. In my opinion, Midjourney will get you the best results though. Generating images with Midjourney is super easy. You'll need a Discord account to get started. You can either use the official Midjourney server to create your images or invite the Midjourney bot to your own server. I'll use my own server. It works exactly the same on the official server though. Go to any sub-channel on the Discord server, type "Imagine" in the text bar, and press enter. Now you can insert your text prompt describing the image you have in mind. By using -- followed by the aspect ratio, you can change the aspect ratio of your images. I recommend using an aspect ratio of 8:11 if you want to use the regular A4 paper aspect ratio later on. Once you're satisfied with the prompt, press enter and wait for the image to finish processing. Midjourney will give you 4 alternatives. Upscale the one you like the most, or repeat the process if you don't like any of the options. You can also modify your prompt. I highly recommend upscaling the image at least once for better image resolution. Once upscaled, click the image and press Open in Browser and save the image to your device. Once done, repeat this process for all images you want to generate. Now we'll get to the most important part, combining the images with the text. To do this, head over to Canva. The website is 100% free and super easy to use. Start by creating an account or log in if you already have one. Once in, we'll start by pressing Create a Design. If you want to use the A4 aspect ratio, use 2480 pixels for the width and 3508 pixels for the height, and press Create New Design. Start by dragging your first image onto the canvas. Resize it so it fits the screen. Now add the text by pressing Add a Text Box. At the top, you can adjust the text settings like font family, size, color, weight, and so on. Just experiment with these settings until you get the result you're looking for. Now, copy the text for your first chapter and paste it into the text box. Looks pretty good already, right? Once you're done with your first page, click Duplicate to duplicate the page. Paste in the text of your second chapter. Remove your image and replace it with another one that fits your second chapter. Repeat this process for all other chapters. Once you're satisfied with your book, we'll export it by clicking Share followed by Download. Select PDF Print and press Download once again. And here we go. Now just one more step is missing, getting your book on Amazon KDP. Unfortunately, showing you the entire process would take another hour. It's not really difficult though. I'll drop a link to another video explaining this process in depth in the description below. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started.